Yeah, we're starting to see some progress now. Starting to get cloudy. It's almost like you can see the bacteria like disintegrating. Yeah, the more thoroughly you mix, the more bacterial cells get exposed. Almost there, maybe about a minute longer. I'm mixing extra this time. My last one had a medium-sized yield, so I want to see if I can increase it. All right, I think I'm ready to move on. So I have our N3 buffer or neutralization buffer. (350 microliters). Acetic acid based. It smells like vinegar. All right, and now we see our precipitate for real. We could barely see it in the lysis buffer, but now it's really evident. That separation. For the neutralization, you could vortex it, but I would play with it a little bit. I'm going to vortex it, but just keep in mind that we're going to be pouring the soup, the liquid part, into these filter tops, the spin columns. So it's important that we keep the little tiny pieces of precipitate out so that we can get the best purity for our plasmids. So if that's something that you are not comfortable with, maybe just invert mix really well and try to keep the precipitate pieces as big as possible, because vortexing them will make them smaller. But we will be centrifuging them to make it easier on ourselves, and most of the small precipitate pieces get stuck to the side, so it's not too bad. And we're going to let it neutralize for about 5 minutes, and then we will spin it down for 5-10 minutes at 13,000 RPM.